Around 50 refugees from Myanmar are taking shelter near Indo-Myanmar border pillar number 79. Moreh police and Assam Rifles have prevented them from entering Moreh in Manipur sector of the Indo-Myanmar border. The Myanmar national reportedly fled their homes fearing Myanmar military junta. Kangleipak News Tengbanglo KNTL Manipur in collaboration with JNIMS organized a blood donation camp at JNIMS for the 15th time today. A total of 15 people donated blood. Taking part in the blood donation, KNTL Manipur executive member Morangthem Sandhya said that the blood donation camp was to help solve the problem of blood in the state. Manipur Building and other construction workers welfare board assured to reconstruct NILAPADMA Higher Secondary School building after it was detected that no quality was maintained in the construction. Special Judge NIA Manipur remanded former chairman of Salai Group NARENGBAM SAMARJIT to judicial custody for 15 days today. He appealed before the Court of Special Judge NIA Manipur W. Tonen at Jairap Court Complex. His bail plea was denied by the court. Department of Geography DM College of Arts organized a one-day lecture on remote sensing and its application today at Dhanmanjari University. Scientist C.H. Sowabati Devi attended the event as the resource person. India breached another record today by registering more than 1.68 lakh new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. With this, the total number of cases reached 13 crore 52 lakh 7,717 according to Union Health Ministry update this morning. According to reports, the number of fatalities due to the virus also increased as 904 deaths were registered in the last 24 hours. The ministry data showed more than 900 deaths were last reported in October 2020. The number of recoveries stood at 1 crore 21 lakh 56,529 today, reports aided. Tika Utsav kicked off at Tamenglong District Hospital yesterday. The program was organized by District Health Society and District Administration Tamenglong. DC Tamenglong Armstrong Pamay, DTO Dr. Guida Tiyo Kamay, and DAO and MS District Hospital Tamenglong Dr. G. Macha Chunglu attended the function.